We're in the first leg of our tour of Nami Island. This is a area, no? You have a lot of tourists taking pictures, of these wonderful eyes. Yan. And dito naglalakad. We're walking. This is an hour and 30 minutes, no, drive to from Seoul or Incheon. This is the first of our stop. Wave here, wave. Dito kami galing, despite the sun, the weather is sub-zero. We're advised by the guide to be back at the parking area before 1 p.m. I think we're going out there na area doon. Dito na tayo? Sige. Excuse me. Dito yung pabalik, so we're following the same route going back. Today is December 26, day after Christmas. Pabalik na kami doon sa parking area. They have what they call yung black ice, no? Kahit na sa mga pavements or roads, kala mo walang ice, only to realize that there's ice, no? The road is slippery.